We talk about how can you disable reorder recommendations on your Amazon shopping app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to take you to this list. Click here on notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just click here on Amazon shopping here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until you will find here reorder recommendations. You will find it here on shopper recommendations. You will find here reorder recommendations. Click in this sign. Like you see color, it's gone. That means it's disabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.